Hi, welcome to the Iron Tech. In Parksocial Panel series, we are going to discuss about Facebook group members because there are a lot of pages or groups on Facebook, and admin wants more number of members in the group. So this is also one of demanding service in the market for newcomer on the Facebook. So there are two services, ID 79 and ID 80. But ID 79 it has refill 30 days. So I will recommend you should go to the lifetime refill or lifetime guaranteed services. And but speed is very fast in 79. It's 500 k, and in ID80 the speed is 5k per day. Starting time is almost same, and there is a minor, you can say, difference in the price, $3.49 and also $3.81. So if you are interested in Facebook group members, you can come here, place the link here, and quantity. Then yes, and I have confirmed the order. But before all these things, you have to also go to the add funds and see which type of payment methods are there. You can start from the minimum quantity to check the services, how it's working, and what is the output and what is the review of your clients of getting the initial thing. But I have used since uh, many months, so it's giving a good results, and I am also earning from this website very quickly. You can also see the balance that I have added in this website. So thank you very much. See you next time. Goodbye.